Hello, today we are going to study about VTP. VTP is VLAN trunking protocol, and VTP, there are three types of modes: server, transparent and client. So why do we need VTP? It's going to help us, it reduces our burden so that we no need to go to every switches and enable VLAN. Like going to the switch 1 and telling you VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. No need to go to all the switches and creating the VLAN. So let's go to server switch. So in server switch, let's make a domain, my area. So I have to go to all the switch and create my own domain. So to create the domain, it is VTP domain. So you might be thinking, why do we need domain? Domain is going to tell us that we belong to this area. So we will create domain as Ali. Okay, see here the message tells from null the domain goes to Ali. Okay, the domain name is Ali. So we have to go to all the switches and tell that your domain name is Ali. Now go to configuration mode. Just you have to type VTP domain Ali. Finish. So even I have to go to the router 3 and then tell VTP domain Ali. Finish. Now everyone are in same domain. They all are in same domain. So let's go ahead and enable VLANs. Okay, so first we'll create VLAN 100. The name of the VLAN is Marie. Okay, then we exit out of it and then we will enable VLAN 200 and the name of the VLAN is Taha. Okay, exit, and again I'll create one more VLAN 300 and the name of the VLAN is Abdul. Again I'll create more VLANs. Let's create more VLANs because it's going to automatically put into the other switches. I will put name. Tell me some name. Okay, Manager Salim. Okay, so yes, that's enough. I think we have created 4 VLANs. Okay, now I have to go to this switch, and I have to tell that you are transparent. How do I make it? That's VTP. I'm going to tell mode you're transparent. That's it. From server to it will go to transparent mode. Now I'm going to client mode and tell VTP mode client. I changed the mode to client. This one is server, this is transparent, and this is client. Okay, now I have created this. Still it will not transfer. Why do you think it will not transfer to the other switch? Just realize we have not made this interface as trunk. Did you realize that we didn't make this interface as trunk? Interface, what does trunk do? It just forwards the information. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Then we put switch port mode trunk. That's it. It changed to trunk. I think automatically this switch might go trunk. I don't want to take any chance, so I will tell. I think you might be knowing about the modes, 5 modes of switch. So interface Fast Ethernet 0/1, switch port mode trunk. In that 5 mode, one port will be automatic. That automatic port will make it trunk automatic. So I think I will record that video about 5 modes of switch. So let's not concentrate on 5 modes. Let's make this ports as trunk. Okay, so all the ports are trunk. Now I think even this ports will go automatically trunk. Now after this goes green, let's go ahead and see that whether this switch has received the VLAN information or not. So what does transparent switch do? It's transparent. It's like a mirror. It will just transfer. Okay, it will not make any changes in them. Like in server, let me make this as server. By default all the switches will be in server mode. Okay, but still I want to make this as server. Switch port mode server. See here, it's telling device mode already VTP server. It's already VTP server. So it's gone green. Now we will go to the client and tell show VTP. Show VLAN. Show VLAN brief. See here, it's like a magic. We see here Marie, we see Taha, we see Abdul, we see Salim here. Okay, we didn't create any type of VLAN in this switch. We created VLAN in this. Okay, so we could see the VLAN informations here. But see here, if I go to transparent mode, I will not see any VLAN. Show VLAN brief. See, you don't see any VLANs. It's empty. It's like a new router. See here, I have, if I go to the client, it's showing me, where's client? It's showing me all the VLANs. It's like it reduces your burden. No need to go to all the switches and make it VLAN. Okay, so I think this was very simple to understand about VTP, how it transfer, what is the role of transparent mode, what is the role of client and server. In server, whatever changes we make, it is implemented in client mode. Okay, let's try and let's try and become the boss and try and delete the VLAN. Let me remove Marie from the list. I don't want Marie. Okay, I tell no VLAN 100. See here, what's the message I'm getting? VTP VLAN configuration not allowed. Why it's not allowed? Because it is client mode. I cannot delete or remove or make any changes in client mode. Only server mode can do that. I will try to remove in VTP from client mode. I will try to remove Marie. In server, it's removed, it's gone. Now I will show you, show VLAN brief. Marie is gone. Now I will show it in client, same thing. Show VLAN brief. See, Marie is gone. Whatever the changes I can make, I have to make in server. Server is a boss. Client is just a slave. He just have to follow whatever the client server says. Okay, hope so this video was very simple and short. If you have any questions, I will make sure that I upload the new video of VTP. See you in the next video.